Your salary is not enough to set you free, but it's enough to keep you alive. Yes, it's important to have a side hustle to make more income and have multiple income streams. And yes, it's a secret of all the millionaires to have multiple streams of income. For me, starting a side hustle was my ticket out of my full-time job. I was able to escape my job because I grew my side hustle and made other income streams. Hustle can sound hard and difficult. For me, it meant doing more of what I love, feeling more fulfilled, more meaningful than my day job. And the best part is, if you can turn your side hustle into a full-time business, you can leave your job and do 100% and focus 100% on doing what you love. Now, if you want to know ideas about side hustles, there's 9 side hustle ideas in this video that I'll pop up right here. We all have 24 hours in a day. You, me, everyone. So how do you balance that? How do you balance your side hustle with your full-time job? If you're ready to dive in, please hit that like button and we'll get started. If you don't know who I am, I make videos every week about career transition, achieving financial freedom, and this is part of it. The first one, sacrifices and boundaries. What do I mean? If you plan to turn your side hustle into a full-time business, you need to prioritize things. How important is your side hustle? That means put time and effort into it and set rules and boundaries. That means going out less, sleeping in less, because you need time to work on your business. It means setting boundaries and rules towards other people and telling your friends and family, hey, I'm working, this is my goal, this is what I need to do, and this is my priority. So less going out. That's what I did. You know, I said no to parties. I said no to coffees here and there. No, I mean, yes, once in a while, but not all the time, because my focus was my side hustle. And I spent evenings and weekends, and I made sure to wake up. And that brings me actually to number 2, and that is schedule your time. Set schedules, set goals, and stick to it. Just like you do at work. You have a schedule, you have deadlines. Do the same thing for your side hustle. Say like, okay, this week I want to accomplish this. Maybe you want to set up a website. By the way, if you want no hassle website, $99. I'm not kidding you. The best amazing customer support to help you all the way. No hassle website. I'll put the link below, but I don't want to focus on that. You want to set a schedule and then complete it. So you say, okay, now by Friday, I want to have this finished. I want to reach out to a prospect. I want to come up with my tagline, with my headline. I want to learn something. I want to study how to make video and audio. That is exactly what I did. At the evenings and the weekends, I scheduled, I had goals, and I stick with it. So that means maybe for you, you want to work every morning from 5 to 7 a.m. and then go to your full-time job. Maybe you want to spend all of your Saturday on your side hustle, maybe just 1 hour a day. I was more of an evening person, so I went to my day job, and then in the evening, I worked several hours. At the end of the day, if you have 5 days a week and you can spend 2 hours a day on your side hustle, that's 10 hours a week. But don't be too hard on yourself, okay? So be realistic and be human. Maybe it's only 1 hour, maybe it's half an hour. Maybe some days you plan and something comes in the way. Don't be too hard on yourself, but try to stick to a schedule and maybe start with 1 hour, 2 hours, 5 hours a week, whatever suits you, your situation, and maybe your family needs. Number 3, stay motivated. Look, it is a side hustle. It is your passion that you want to turn into profit. And, by the way, I made a video about that as well. How can you monetize your passion? But at the end of the day, you want to stay motivated. And motivation is usually only short term unless you know what your why is. Why are you doing what you're doing? Why are you working on this side hustle? If you remember your why, you will stay motivated for a very, very, very long time. Every time you try to fall back, you have a little bit of doubt, you have some worry, you have a setback, you think about, wait, why am I doing this? Oh yeah, because I'm passionate, because I want to inspire people in my case, because I want to coach people, because I want to help people, because I want to make other people transform their lives and not stay stuck in a career. That's my thing. So when I say that and I remember my why, boom, did you see how much energy? I really am motivated by what I'm doing. But I do have days and moments I'm like, oh, really? I don't know. It's not working out. It's not going my way. And then I'm like, wait a minute, why am I doing this? Yes. And that keeps me motivated. It drives me towards my goal. Please comment below what your side hustle is. I really, really want to know what you guys are doing, what you guys are up to, or what you may want to get started. And number 4 is self-care. Prioritize self-care. Yes, you must put your side hustle as a priority. Yes, you must work on it and it takes effort and time. But yes, you, my dear, are so important because you don't want to burn out. You don't want to have sleepless nights and then, forget everything and have to stick to a job. No, you need to maintain your energy. You need to also take time to sleep, to rest, to do things that give you energy, to, yes, go on a coffee date, go to the movies once, spend a night on Netflix, do something that gives you energy, take time to rest, take time to have fun and joy and recharge your batteries. For me, I love going to the gym every single day or working out or going outside, taking a walk in nature, having an amazing laugh with a friend. It's important because you have to keep your energy up. Comment below because I want to know what kind of self-care do you like? What gives you joy and fulfillment, and what can you do to lift your energy? Now, before I dive into the last 2 energy boosters, please hit that like button, and there's also a thanks little button that you may want to try out, and let me know in the comments how you're doing, how you're liking this so far. But let's dive into the big last 2. Number 5, manage your energy levels. What does this mean? It means that you have to take into account when are you at your best. If you have most inspiration and you need inspiration to work on your side hustle, to maybe create content, and you're at your best in the evenings, then take that time. Or maybe in the mornings really early before, the world wakes up. Take that time. Also take into account that you're still working a full-time job. So if your full-time job suddenly requires a huge deadline or presentation, or you need to travel somewhere, well, that still has your priority, right? Because that brings in the money. So then you have less time to spend on your side hustle. So don't try to do all of it and stick to a very rigid, strict schedule when you're still trying to balance everything, because that's the thing, you're balancing. So that means a little tweak here and there. And even if you're saying like, yeah, but every day, at 5 a.m. I'm waking up and I have to work on my side hustle, but that day you have an important deadline and presentation for your full-time job, that is your paycheck. That is your priority, which brings me to the bonus thing. And that is, your full-time job is bringing in your paycheck. Your full-time job is bringing in your money. That is what gives you financial ease and flow. Okay, so yes, people are saying take the leap of faith and follow your heart and just jump, and I'm saying no, don't, because that's when you come into financial stress and financial challenges, and then you're so consumed by that financial stress and anxiety that you cannot put your energy into your side hustle. So keep in mind, and this goes 2 ways, okay? 1, you need the finances to keep going, to keep your energy up, but also knowing that you have money coming in every month from your full-time job. For me, it meant like I went to my job that I really hated, with so much more ease and, in a way, energy and fun, because I knew, look, I'm working on my side hustle. I'm leaving soon, okay? It just made the day job easier. Is that making sense? So on one hand, it's good to have the paycheck so you don't have any financial stress and you can work on your side hustle with ease. And secondly, because of that paycheck, you're working on your side hustle and you go to your day job, which actually is not where you want to stay. I didn't hate it so much anymore because I knew I was leaving because I was working on my side hustle. So it goes both ways. Make sure you check those 9 side hustle ideas and also business income ideas that I will pop here in the next videos. And also there's always a PDF, a free download right here below in the description to help you monetize your skills. So I hope this helps, and I'll see you in my next video.